What's going on, guys? This is Digital Zach, and today we are talking about content writing tutorials for beginners. Now, this is going to be a bit of a weird video because there is some things I'm going to talk to you guys about, like how I got into content writing, how I started content writing, the different types of content writing, and how much money I made as a content writer. But then in terms of tutorial, what I'm going to do instead of going through things with you, I'm going to put a link below, which is to a free ebook which I created, which teaches you how to write content. Now, there are quite a few different types of content. You can be an article writer, you can be a blog writer, you can be an affiliate content writer, which you probably didn't even know. You know, there's tons of availability in terms of how much content you can write online. You can write landing pages, you can have a speciality in sales and SEO. For the sake of this video, we're going to concentrate on affiliate article content writing. Finally, I said it right. Now, the reason we're going to concentrate on that for the sake of this video is because that is where I made quite a lot of money. And if you're watching or if you're trying to learn how to write content, or if you're looking for a content writing tutorial for beginners to make some extra money, then affiliate content writing is one of the best places to start, in my opinion, because it's where I started as well. Now, to cut to the juicy stuff, I on average can make $1,000 a month writing content on top of my day job, so that's a couple hours in the evenings and weekends. Anything up to $2,000 a month, but it averages out about $1,000 to $1,400 per month. I stopped writing content regularly about 6 months ago because I started coding. I landed a job as a programmer. However, I still do get contacted from time to time from a couple of my old clients asking me if I'm available. And around 2 months ago, I got commissioned to write 22 articles for a niche website, and I made £1,500, about $1,900 for around 3 weeks work. So that's just giving you guys a little bit of insight into how much you can earn in this area. Now, why write for affiliate content websites? Because everybody and their grandma wants to be an affiliate marketer. Everyone wants to make passive income, and everyone's out there trying to make as much money as possible building websites. However, what I would revert back to and what I would say to you guys is this. In the gold rush in America, people were digging for gold. Everyone wanted to get rich, but there were a couple of very clever people who said to themselves, hang on a minute, if everybody's digging, we're only competing against millions of other people. Instead of digging, why don't we sell the shovels? And that's what they did. And lots of people became very rich selling shovels to everyone who's digging. Now, how this relates to what I do is that I see everybody digging and I don't want to dig. That's too much hard work. Let everybody else do that, because to build an affiliate website, you've got to build links, backlinks, you got to have great content, you got to have social content marketing, all sorts, which I've done, don't get me wrong, and I still do, but for the position that you guys are in, it's a whole lot of headache if you've not got the money to invest. So I thought to myself, right, instead of digging, how can I sell shovels? So I thought, right, I'm going to start writing content, because there is a lack of good quality content writers, and there still is. I can guarantee you there still is. But what there isn't a lack of is people trying to build websites, affiliate websites. There are literally thousands of people starting their starting their affiliate website journeys every day, and you could be writing content for so many of them. You could be making anywhere between $30 to $100 per article, even more if it's a longer article, and it's a great way to get started. So for me personally, I started because I was building my own websites. I was doing SEO at the time, so I had a basic understanding of how things needed to be. But I was a terrible writer. I was horrible. Even now, my grammar's still no good. So I use Grammarly to correct that. I'll put a link down below if you want to check that out. Just sign up to it, and I've done like 1 million or so words of content has been checked in the last year, just from affiliate article writing. So for you guys, now in the ebook that I've connected below, that I've linked you to, it's completely free. I only ask you for your email address because I've got more free information coming out in terms of how to start writing, how to blog, how to write for your blogs, how to write for your websites, how to write landing pages. I'm bringing all that out, so I just want to keep you guys in the loop. I'm not going to spam you with anything. I'm not going to spam you with anything, but at the same time, I'm also going to put a link to Udemy. So I've got a course on Udemy, which is a video version of my ebook, but at the same time, it includes some more information, and it includes the ebook as well. So you get two different examples. So if you do fancy supporting me in this, you can also buy it from Udemy. And in the first lecture, there's the free ebook as well. But if you just want the ebook for free, then just follow the link for the ebook. Now, if you're thinking about content writing, there's a couple of things you need to know. Content writing is not just writing how you feel or what you want to write, unless it's for your own personal blog. There's so much involved. There's keywords, there's SEO, is there a cause for the content that you're writing? Does it need to convert more leads? Does it need to create more sales? But more or less, for every piece of content that you write, the thing that people are after is, number one, is it readable and shareable? Will people like it and share it? And number two, will it rank on Google? So there's a couple of different aspects aspects. Content writing is not just writing, it does get technical. There's things you need to know about SEO, and there's things you need to know about content flow and about heading tags and backlinks. And it's basically what it comes down to is this: if you can write a good quality piece of content, people will share it. If people will share it, it boosts its SEO value, it brings more value to the website, you get more backlinks to the website, and that makes you more valuable as a writer. Not only that, the type of writing that I'm talking about, that we were doing, affiliate content writing, is more or less about writing big descriptions about different products. So say for example you were going to buy drills, which is one of the examples that I use. You could say you compare, so this is a drill from company one, here's an introduction to company one, here's what the drill is, here's what it does, here's some great features, pros and cons about it, and here's drill two, and here's the company, an introduction for the company of drill two, here's the features about it, here's the pros and cons, here's a conclusion. And then you compare the two, you put an affiliate link in it back to Amazon or back to wherever the affiliate program is run from. The person clicks on it, they buy it, you get paid a nice commission, or the person who you wrote for gets paid a nice commission, but you get paid either way. Now, as I said, there are thousands of people every day making new affiliate websites, and what there is a lack of is good quality affiliate writers, which is why I managed to make so much money in such a little time. So if you guys are thinking about getting into content writing, have a read through the ebook and let me know what you feel. Ask me some questions. What's stopping you from learning content writing? What's stopping you from getting out there? Are there any barriers that you've faced? Read the book, let me know how you feel about it. So far it's helped up to 1,000 people. The course, my course on Udemy, has helped around 400 people learn how to write content for affiliate products. And writing content for affiliate websites is a heavily underserved niche in content writing. There's tons of opportunity for you guys to make money there. So let me know what you're thinking. Let me know.